Welcome to 15-minute full body yoga stretch. This practice is quite gentle, staying low to the ground. Great for when you feel sore and tired but still want to move your body and stretch a bit. Let's begin in seated position, sitting on your heels. And then begin to roll your shoulders up to your ears, back, down and forward. Change direction, roll your shoulders forward, warming up the muscles around your shoulders and neck. Place your right hand to the side on the floor, reach your left arm up and to the right into side bend. And then begin to circle your arm back, down and in front of you. A few big arm circles. Come back to center, switch to the other side. Right arm reaches up and to the left. And then circle your arm back, down and forward. Making big circles from the shoulder. Come back to center. Bring your left arm across the body. Bend your right arm and gently pull your left arm across the body to stretch the back of your left shoulder. And then for eagle arms stretch, bend both elbows. Hold your left wrist or press the palms together. Or just place your hands on your shoulders. Lift your elbows up, circle them to the left, down, right and up, making big circles from the upper body. Keep gently pulling your elbows away from you at the same time. You should feel the stretch somewhere in your upper body, probably in the area around your shoulders, between the shoulder blades. Switch direction of your circles and make them as big as it feels comfortable. Release your arms. And then bring your right arm across the body. Press it with your left arm. Bend the elbows. Now the other arm is on top. Try to catch your right wrist. Press the palms together. Or place hands on your shoulders and circle your elbows up. To the right, down and to the left. Gently pull your elbows away from you, finding the stretch on the upper back. Change direction, move to the other side. Release your arms, roll your shoulders a few times. Come to your hands and knees. Hands underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hips. Inhale, drop the belly, lift your chest up. Exhale, press the floor away, round the back and lean slightly back, halfway towards child's pose. Inhale, pull your chest forward into gentle back bend. Exhale, round the back and sit slightly back. One more inhale, arch the back. Exhale, round as much as you can and sit all the way down to your heels into child's pose. Walk your hands forward as far as you can and release forehead to the ground. Walk your hands to the left to find a bigger stretch on the right side of the torso. Breathe there. And then walk your hands over to the right, stretching the left side. Come back to center and come up to your hands and knees. Step your left foot forward between your hands. Lift your torso up. Lengthen your tailbone down. Keep the lower belly engaged and gently push your hips down towards the mat to find a stretch on your right hip flexors, somewhere on the front of your right hip. You can keep your hands on your left knee for support and stay here, just focusing on your hip flexors. If you want a bit more shoulder stretch, interlace fingers behind your back. Lift your chest up and pull your hands away from the body and down towards the mat. Release your hands down, framing your front foot. Walk this foot to the right into pigeon pose. You can keep your shin a bit more parallel to the front of the mat or angle it a bit more to the right hip. See what feels best. And shift your hips back and down to the mat. You can stay up on your hands here, all over down to your forearms or maybe even all the way down into sleeping pigeon. Couple deep breaths here. Try to just relax into this position. It's a very passive stretch. You can just stay in this position for a few more breaths if it feels good. If you want a bit more hip flexor and quad stretch, come up to your hands, bend your right leg and press the heel down towards the sit bones with your hand. This one can feel quite intense, so take it slow, breathe. Release your foot, slowly come up to your hands and knees and switch sides. Bring your right foot forward between your hands into low lunge. Stabilize your pelvis, lengthening the tailbone down, lifting up through the lower belly and gently pushing your hips down towards the mat. Find the variation that works, either keeping your hands on your front knee or interlacing your hands behind for a bit more shoulder stretch. Release your hands down to the mat and bring your foot to the left into pigeon. Find the angle of the shin that works for you, that feels good on your knee. Shift your hips back and down towards the mat. And either stay up on your hands or lower a bit more down to your forearms, maybe all the way down, forehead to the mat. Just stay here if it feels good, or if you want that extra hip stretch, come up to your hands, bend your left leg and gently press the heel down with your left hand. From wherever you are, slowly make your way to your hands and knees. And then lay down on your back. Draw your knees to your chest, hug your shins, roll side to side on your lower back a few times. Then take your knees out a little wider. Hold your ankles or outsides of your feet for happy baby. You can stay still or add some movement here, maybe rocking side to side on your lower back. Maybe straightening your legs one by one. One more breath in happy baby. And then release your feet down to the mat. Lower your knees to the right side and place your right ankle over left knee. Hands can stay anywhere they feel good, on the body, alongside the body, in T shape. This is a nice spinal twist, but with this variation you might also feel a bit more stretch on the front of your left hip. Bring your knees up and then lower them to the left. Place your left ankle on top of right knee. Couple breaths on this side. bring your knees back to center. Straighten your arms, interlace fingers above your head. With inhale, take one more big full body stretch, pressing your palms up, pointing the feet. Exhale, release it all. Roll over to your favorite side and press through your hands to come up to seated. I hope you enjoyed this short yoga stretch and your body feels a little better now after the practice. Thank you for practicing with me. See you next time. Bye!